Hi everyone, and welcome back to another fluency and application problem video. For today's lesson, you're going to need your Learn book. And again, that's it, just your Learn book and a pencil, of course. So if you need to pause the video to grab that, go ahead. If not, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's take a look at the clock again. And remember, when we move around the clock with our hour hand, we count by fives when we hit these big numbers that we can see. So let's count by fives as I move the minute hand around from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, or we're going to say 1 hour. Okay. All right, let's practice some counting when it comes to minutes. So let's count by 6 minutes. But when we get to 30, we're going to say a half hour. And when we get to 60 minutes, we're going to say 1 hour. Okay, so let's go. 6 minutes, 12, 18, 24, half hour, 36, 42, 48, 54, 1 hour. How did that go? It's a little bit easier when we don't say minutes, so I might keep it at that. All right, let's do 3. But this time when we get to 15, we're going to say quarter past. And when we get to 30, we're going to say half hour. Okay, so 3, 6, 9, 12, quarter past, 18, 24, no. Yeah, 18. I messed up. Not saying 15 totally threw me off my game. I started counting by sixes. Let's start again. I'm so sorry. 3, 6, 9, 12, quarter past, 18, 21, 24, 27, half hour. Ooh, that's so tricky. Hope you kept up. All right, let's count by 10 minutes. And then when we get to 60, we're going to say 1 hour, 10, 20, 30, which is kind of like half hour, 40, 50, 1 hour. All right, let's count by 9. 9, hopefully we've started by now, but 9 is a fun way. Lots of patterns when we're counting by 9. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 3, 6, 4, 5. Okay, let's jump into our application problem. Our application problem is, of course, in our Learn book. We know this by now. And the application problem, let me find it. There we go. I almost turned right to it, but then I got confused. Is on page 141. Learn book, page 141. If you need time to find it, pause the video to get there. Okay, I'm going to read, and then I want you to try this on your own. It's one that's very similar to lesson 1's application problem. Christine has 12 math problems for homework. It takes her 5 minutes to complete each problem. How many minutes does it take Christine to finish all 12 problems? Okay, pause the video. You need a pictures, number sentence, and words. Ready? Pause. I hope you did it. So let's go over the answer. So there's 12 math problems on her homework, and it takes her 5 minutes. So those 5 minutes go into the problem. So 12 is our group. So I'm going to go back to what I know best, which is my tape diagram. We do not know the total. We don't know how long it takes in total for Christine to solve this problem, but we know there are 12 math problems. To easily divide this into 12, I'm first going to divide it in half. Then I'm going to divide each of these rectangles in half. And that leaves me with 4. Then I'm going to put 2 lines in each of these sections. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And when I count, I should have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here are her 12 math problems, and it takes her 5 minutes in each problem. All right, so looking at this, I'm going to write this as a multiplication problem. She has 12 groups of 5, and we're trying to find out how many minutes that takes her. So let's skip count to find out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. I could also say that it takes her 1 hour. Those mean the same thing. So coming down to right, here's my question, how many minutes? So I should keep it at minutes. Does it take Christine to finish all 12 problems? So it takes Christine 60 minutes, but then I kind of want to show off. So I'm going to put parentheses and write 1 hour, just so I can tell my teacher that I know that 60 minutes is 1 hour. It takes Christine 60 minutes, 1 hour, to finish all 12 problems. I'm getting all of those words right up there in the question. Then our very important words to write, I know this because, and then I want you to finish that answer. For me, I know it because I drew a tape diagram with 12 groups of 5. Then I skip counted to find my answer. For some of you, you may have drawn equal groups. You may have drawn 12 rectangles for the 12 problems and put 5. Maybe you made 12 rows of 5 in an array. Maybe you drew a number bond. Explain that here. And get a nice period at the end. All right, you guys rock. Way to go. Keep up the good work. I'm proud of you. And I will see you later. Bye.